Alright, this here is the Navionics Update chip. I bought this to update my old Navionics Gold card and make it into a Navionics Plus card. It cost me about $100. The Navionics Plus card, the preloaded one, cost about $200, so this saves me $100 and I still get the use of my old gold chip. So with the Navionics Update or Plus, you get the nautical charts, the sonar charts with more contours and detail than my old gold chip, and you get community edits. You just download all of that map, whatever map you want from whatever area, onto this provided SD card. All you have to do is put in your old SD card into your computer, then put in the new SD card and you register, go through the process on the website, and away you go. You got your new Navionics Plus. I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna go through the whole entire process and show you. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. It looks pretty simple and fast, so let's get started. Nope. Looks useless, SD card reader provided. And the chip. We're updating my Navionics card to the Navionics Plus for new features and extensive coverage areas. Compatible with Gold, Silver, Hot Maps, Premium, and Marine and Lakes USA. Navionics.com, go to download and updates. Download the chart installer. Open that up. I'm gonna say yes. Start your browser. I had a blocker here, so I'm gonna allow the website to use that. Make sure my card is unlocked. So it's currently unlocked. Stick it in. Okay, I don't have an account. Guess I'll have to create an account. Account successfully created. So I choose my manufacturer. I have a Hummingbird and a Lowrance. What do I do? Let's just go Hummingbird for now. I have a 900 series. Select which one I have. This one. Let's continue there. So now it tells me to unplug my Navionics Update card. I take that out, and then I'm gonna put in my old. Number 2 says plug in your old card. So here's my old card. Stick that in. Unplug my old card now. Now stick back in my updates card. Now it's active. So now my old card won't be able to activate any additional updates. Okay, continue. So I don't want England. My region is US and Canada. Go continue. The card will initialize permanently with the coverage selection you made by clicking agree below. You also accept our end user license agreement. Okay. Alrighty, now I can select what areas I want. Let's say I want like Simcoe. Nautical chart size will be 40 megabytes, sonar charts 50 megabytes, community edits another 20. Community edits not available. Okay, so that's fine. I'm gonna change it over to Lowrance because I do have a HDS Gen 2 8. That way I could get the community edits too. Because why not? Let's grab all this stuff from all over. Start. Let's download the nautical charts, sonar charts, and community edits. The card is now up to date. Unplug it and use it on your Lowrance HDS Gen 2 8. Awesome. So this here is my Lowrance unit. Right now I have the Navionics Gold card in. There's not a whole lot of detail here. You can see there's only a few contour lines. There's not a whole lot. But once I swap it over to the new Navionics Plus card, there is a lot more detail. There went for contour lines here, so that's a big significant difference here. You can see all these new lines in here that I couldn't see before. Alright, there you go. I just showed you the difference between my old gold chip and the new plus card that I got. For $100, I think it was totally worth it to update my old card, and now I have the use of both cards for just $100. So if you're looking to update or if you need a new card, I think plus is the way to go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you around. Thanks.